Everybody, Earl here. MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com. We're checking out this beast, 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS Super Sport, big block beast. Just getting the video out so everybody could see. I'll get all the description and stuff online, and then I'll take another video later on in the week, but I couldn't wait to show this baby off. Nice little roll bar, interior's in great shape. Body is super straight all the way down. Paint just glows. Got some tools in there. Special compartment he had built in there. This car is gorgeous. All the weather stripping, paint work, all the glass is good. I mean, this thing drives unbelievable. Four-speed manual, 396 big block car. I mean, just laser straight. All the chrome is good all the way throughout. Lines up great. All the glass is good all the way around. Everything's working the way it should. All the lights, turn signals, gauges. Let me fire this bad boy up real quick. Grab the key. Wheels are good, no pitting. love this car. If you need to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% down minimum, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above score, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Again, up to 84 months, approvals within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. We've got over 100 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, video, and pictures are online at our website. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. Please call me if you have any questions on any of our cars or have questions on shipping. You could text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. This car will make you happy. You will not be disappointed. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Please call me if you need to get an appointment in at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Hope you like the sneak peek of this 1966 big block Chevelle SS. It's a beautiful car. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. Let's get this baby home to someone. Bye.